Hey, how you going there, guys? Got the exhaust done. How cool. Just thought I'd give you a quick little look, and we found a couple of other things that I wanted to get done, mainly a catch can, after I saw how dirty everything was in there. Okay, let's have a look. Okay, down in there we got the extractors happening, or headers happening, and ended up being a really tight fit, but nevertheless it came together really nicely. And I guess you've all seen an exhaust system under the car. All in all, really sweet. But here's something I wanted to show you. When I took this manifold off here, man, black as, with all the oil and stuff in there. The fumes, oil fumes, come straight from there originally and go straight into there and then straight into your fuel system. What a crazy situation. So I've done some having a look and nut around on this. As I said, diesels aren't my thing, but so I ended up going catch can, and it ended up being a FlashLube. I got the box over here. It ended up being a FlashLube Catch Can Pro, and that's kind of the gear. The filters look. Who was that guy? Alan from Terrain Tamer. I saw him and Ruthie do a promo on this thing, and it just looked absolutely awesome, and they reckon it's pretty much up there with the best, and it was about $200 cheaper than the rest. So ended up thought, okay, give it a go. It was here in a day. Sensational value with the postage and everything. Catch Can Pro, you can turn that around. You take these off, pop it open, filter in there. That filter's supposed to last anywhere between 60,000 or so. It all depends. And the line is running down there. I don't know if you can see the clear line. Oh, there it is, coming out there with the little tap on it. That's how you drain it. You just hit that little tap and it goes through in up there. And so the fumes run in to there, go through the filter, the clean air comes out through this. This has got valves in it, so it keeps the same pressures going, so it's supposed to be really good for the motor. And then into your air intake, and then into the manifold. And while I had it all apart, I hit it up with this gear, and man, Newlon throttle body is absolutely excellent. Spray that stuff, cleans it out like a beauty. Diesel treatment came with it, treats 50 litres. I just threw it in, give it a go. Man, all in all, pretty excellent. Everything over here is pretty, just doing a nut and bolt check, everything's all pretty good. Okay, the old girl is pretty sweet. Just give you a quick look. Yeah. She's clean. She's very clean. Okay, excellent. Oh, that's those lights again, guys. Look how they're great job lights. Excellent. Just plug them in alligator clips straight in. All right. So there we are. We're back again. I'm trying to work this Moser mini gimbal out here that works off the phone. Phone hits a really good light, so I thought, okay, I don't use the phone very much, but it works well. Okay, that's it. Everything's going so far. Tuesday morning, 8 o'clock is dyno for this sucker. Already the power has increased markedly. It is very noticeable how much it's increased. The sound is really cool too, but now it can breathe, and I just want to get this as reliable as possible, and hopefully everything's just going to work really well. Okay, thanks for watching. Thanks for the new subscribers too. Excellent. Everyone's sitting around doing 5 fists of fuck all and all this. Educate yourself, get going, get ready for the other side of this shenanigans. Alright, all good. Catch you later.